China has the second highest number of orbital launches from all the countries in 2022. On December 16th, the 62nd launch of Chinese rocket occurred this year. Although there is not a lot of footage available from the launch, the topic is worth paying attention to anyway. A Long March 11 rocket lifted off on December 16th at 6:17 UTC from the Sichuan Satellite Launch Center. The 58-ton solid-fuel rocket consists of 4 stages and launches from a mobile launch pad. The method of its launch refers to its origin as a military Dongfeng 31 missile. The Shenzhen-21 satellite, owned by China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, was delivered into low Earth orbit during this mission. Although no photos of the satellite are available, it is possible to make an estimation of its purpose, thanks to its name. The name Shenzhen is usually used by experimental Chinese satellites to test new technologies. After all, the Chinese word Shenzhen means experiment. Not much information is available about the Shenzhen-21 satellite. However, it looks like it should test 3D printed structures. Its frame was made entirely using this method. Thanks to such an innovative procedure, the production time was reduced by 40%. Nevertheless, it is possible that Shenzhen-21 is not only testing a 3D printed structure. It may also carry unspecified experiments on board, which are not yet publicly known. On December 17th, a Falcon 9 rocket launched from Florida, carrying the first 2 satellites of the O3B mPOWER system. This new communication network from SES company is supposed to enable data transmission on 80% of the Earth's surface. The Falcon 9's first stage flew for the 8th time and landed on a shortfall of Gravitas drone ship. On December 17th, the Starship 24 spacecraft performed a static fire of a Raptor engine. This time, the entire test was recorded by a drone. Therefore, we were provided with footage from a very unusual perspective. The static fire was a part of a preparation for the first orbital flight of the Super Heavy Starship system. A glance to the statistics of our channel revealed that 85% of you are not our subscribers. If you like the spaceflight news, go ahead and subscribe to our channel.